Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today, I am going to show you a secret method to always find free paid Steam games so you can expand your library without spending a single cent. We are going to walk through a simple website tool that tracks every legitimate promotion out there. This is a game changer for any gamer looking to pick up new titles regularly. Before we jump into the browser, if this guide helps you score some awesome free games, do not forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more gaming tips. Alright, let us dive right in. The first thing you need to do is open up your preferred web browser and navigate to SteamDB.info. This is the ultimate database for everything happening on Steam. Once the homepage is loaded, look toward the top left corner of the screen where you will see the menu icon. Go ahead and click that icon to expand the navigation sidebar. Now, look under the Discovery section in that menu list. You will see an option labeled Free Promotions. Click on that. Once the page refreshes, you will be presented with a comprehensive list of every currently active free game promotion on Steam. This includes games that are permanently free to keep and temporary offers that are currently discounted to zero. Because SteamDB tracks these deals in real time, you can always be sure you're not missing out on hidden gems. You can scroll through this list to see what's currently available, check the duration of these offers, and click through to the official Steam store link to claim them instantly. It really is that straightforward, and it saves you from having to hunt around different forums or social media pages. Just make sure to check back on this specific page often, as new promotions pop up all the time. That's really all there is to it. You now have the perfect tool to keep your game library growing for free. I hope this video made your gaming life a bit easier today. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like button and subscribe to stay updated on future content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.